Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fabric deodorizer is probably one of the most sought-after household items for keeping clothes, upholstery, and carpet smelling fresh and clean, and in this video, we will explore the top-rated fabric deodorizers on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs, considering factors like scent, application method, and fabric safety, ensuring you make an informed decision based on your specific requirements and preferences. Number 5. Febreze Unstopables Touch. Experience the revolutionary touch-activated technology that keeps your fabric smelling fresh. It's the easiest way to fight odors and enjoy long-lasting freshness on demand. Simply touch your fabrics to release a burst of freshness. It's that simple. It stores scent in your fabrics, giving you a continuous fresh fragrance that lasts. Enjoy that just washed feeling all day long. Use it on your couch, carpets, pillows, blankets, or even your clothes. It's versatile and perfect for any room. Experience the crisp, airy scent of fresh and breeze. It's a clean, airy, and watery fresh fragrance that will leave you wanting more. With Febreze Unstopables Touch, every touch is a reminder of that fresh laundry feeling. Make every touch a fresh one. What we like? It offers a unique touch-activated technology, releasing bursts of freshness with every touch. The scent lasts for a long time, keeping your fabric smelling great. If you want an easy way to refresh your clothes and fabrics with a pleasant scent, this is for you. What people say. The scent is absolutely amazing, fresh, clean, and long-lasting without being overpowering. The quality of the spray itself is superb, and it refreshes my sheets instantly. Fresh citrus-like fragrance but not overpowering. Fresh smells last for a long time. I like to spray my carpet before I vacuum. Number 4. Fresh Wave Odor Eliminator. Say goodbye to unwanted smells with our all-new Odor Eliminator. It's made with natural plant-based ingredients, so it's safe for your family and pets. This powerful spray tackles odors on various fabrics, from upholstery to pet bedding. It's tough on odors, but gentle on your home. Simply spray it directly onto the fabric to eliminate odors. For extra strong odors, use more spray. Always spot test on delicate fabrics. It's non-toxic and safe for people, pets, and the planet. Enjoy a fresh-smelling home without harsh chemicals. It eliminates odors without overpowering fragrances, leaving behind a clean and inviting space. Experience the difference. From couches and closets to trash cans and appliances, it effectively eliminates odors on a wide range of surfaces. It's incredibly versatile. We've updated our packaging, but the powerful odor-eliminating formula you love remains the same. Enjoy the familiar freshness in a new look. What we like? This product uses natural plant-based ingredients to eliminate odors effectively, without harsh chemicals. It's safe for people, pets, and the planet. If you are looking for a natural and safe way to eliminate odors from your fabrics, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It eliminates odors well, and leaves a nice fresh fragrance rather than the cloying floral and fruity smells of so many aerosol air fresheners. The hand pump bottle is convenient and easy to use, plus I can pour a little of it into a small spray bottle for travel. One bottle lasts a very long time, and refills, without the spray top, can be ordered. Small, but the mist is very fine, not messy. Fragrance is light and clean smelling. Wherever it got on my skin, it did not irritate. Nice bright scent. I would say the smell is closet to eucalyptus, but it is definitely a fresh scent. The bottles are small but spray a nice light mist, so no worries about large drips or blobs on lighter colored carpet or rugs. Number 3. GNB Carpet Deodorizer. It harnesses powerful cleaning to eliminate strong odors and leaves your carpet smelling fresh for longer. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and hello to a clean-smelling home. Does pet odor have you down? This product neutralizes tough smells from pet accidents, restoring a pleasant environment. It's safe for homes with pets and kids. Enjoy the invigorating aroma of lemon and eucalyptus. This pet-friendly formula leaves your home smelling wonderfully fresh and clean, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Simply sprinkle it on, wait, and vacuum. It reaches deep into carpet fibers, rugs, upholstery, and even mattresses for a thorough clean. It even helps your vacuum pick up more dirt and fur. It's an eco-friendly choice, made in the USA with a powerful yet environmentally friendly formula. It's a healthier option for your home and the planet. What we like. It's specially formulated to neutralize strong pet odors, leaving behind a refreshing lemon and eucalyptus scent. The powder is easy to apply and deeply cleans carpets and upholstery. If you have pets and want a natural way to eliminate pet odors, this is a great option. What people say. This carpet powder smells fresh and clean without being too strong. It is easy to use and makes the room feel instantly better. Took out about 85 to 90% of the smell and it's been a week now and it hasn't come back. Covered about 1,000 square feet, gentle lovely scent, not overpowering at all. The powder is easy to apply, just sprinkle it on the carpet, let it sit for a few minutes, and vacuum. It truly neutralizes strong smells, especially pet urine, and leaves a fresh, natural lemon and eucalyptus scent. Number 2. Febreze Laundry Additive. Say goodbye to stubborn laundry odors. This powerful additive tackles sweat, food, and smoke smells, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It doesn't just mask odors, it removes them. Add it to your wash to eliminate tough smells from baby clothes to workout gear. For extra tough odors, pre-treat by soaking the item in hot water with a capful before washing. Adjust the amount based on the odor level. Use it with your favorite detergent, fabric softener, even bleach. It's safe for both regular and high-efficiency washing machines. Never run out of Febreze In-Wash Odor Eliminator. Subscribe today and enjoy the convenience of automatic deliveries. Experience the Febreze difference. Get the long-lasting freshness you deserve, wash after wash. What we like. It eliminates odors from the source during laundry, tackling tough smells like sweat and food stains. It's safe to use with other laundry products. If you need to remove tough odors from your clothes effectively, this is the product for you. What people say. It works quite well to remove or prevent laundry odors. This works great for the kids' stinky sports gear. Everything comes out smelling super fresh and clean. It's great for removing not covering up BO in clothes. I also use it frequently to freshen up bedding if I have guests, gets rid of the musty smell of closet sheets. Number 1. Zero Odor Multi-Purpose Eliminator. Are you tired of lingering odors in your home? This revolutionary spray eliminates odors, not just masks them. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. From fabrics to countertops, it tackles odors wherever they hide. Its patented technology ensures a fresh-smelling space, quickly and effectively. Unlike other products, it doesn't just cover up odors with perfumes. It actually eliminates the source of the smell, leaving behind only freshness. It's completely bleach and chlorine-free, making it safe for use around children and pets. Enjoy a clean and healthy home environment. With over 1,000 sprays, one bottle provides long-lasting odor elimination. It's the perfect solution for a constantly fresh-smelling home. Pet accidents, smoke, even skunk odor. It tackles even the toughest smells, leaving your home smelling clean and inviting. A light, temporary scent helps you see where you've sprayed, then quickly disappears, leaving only freshness behind. What we like. This product eliminates odors without masking them with fragrances, and it works on various surfaces and in different areas of your home. It provides over 1,000 sprays, lasting a long time. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile odor eliminator, this is a great choice. What people say. Instantly wiped out the bad odors. It sprays with a light mist so it's not drenching fabrics, chairs, carpets, etc., and at first there's a very slight hospital medicinal smell, but it dissipates after a few seconds. There's no leftover scent, stain, perfume, residue, and everything I've tried it on, empty sink drain after cleaning, bed sheets, mattress, stuffed animals, couch, rug, plastic chairs, computer desk chairs, gym bags, gym clothes, suitcases, has worked. The only way I can describe it is like opening a window to get in fresh air after a room is stale, or hanging out clothing to dry on a line outside to shake out musty odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.